Okay, okay, guys. Finally, we are towards the end of the series. We are towards the end of the course. I did show you how to add your clips on VideoPad. I did show you how to cut your videos and trim your videos. I did show you how to speeding up the clips. I did show you how to add a slow-mo on the clips. I did show you how to edit text on the videos. I also did show you how to color grade, although you don't need to color grade because you'll be using auto when you're shooting your videos. I show you a lot of things, guys, on this course. So right now it's obviously the easiest thing that you have to do. So you are done editing your video, you are comfortable with it, you love everything about it. How do you upload it on YouTube? So definitely you need to be signed on YouTube on your Chrome or your Internet Explorer or your browser, whatever you use. So you need to be signed in. After that, you go straight to that export. When you go to this export, it will show like a lot of different platforms you can export your video on. So I'll advise you guys to export your video on YouTube and set it private. Meanwhile, then after, when you are ready to publish it, you can publish it. So the advantage of doing this, let's say like you left your laptop at your home, then you go to New York, for an example. You're from California, you go to New York, then you left your laptop, you don't have your video, so you can go straight to YouTube. You can sign straight to YouTube and you go to unpublished videos, so you'll be able to publish the video, you see. So that's the advantage of using YouTube. Then just set it private, then you can publish it from that stand of point. So if you want to like export your video, you can just click YouTube, then it will show you like how you want to name your video, what show you everything, the format of the video. Sometimes you can even force it to full HD. Actually, this is full HD 1080. 1920 times 1080. Oh, it is not a full HD, so I have to force this to this. I have to force it to HD. So I want to save it as a HD. You have to. I don't prefer clicking this because it will ban your thing. So your video title, you just name it. What do we name it? School vlog. School vlog day. You add a description, please stop. You add a lot of things. You add a lot of things. You add a lot of things here. So obviously your channel is already categorized on what it does. So definitely you can add that. Then you can add keywords. For my channel, I already have like keywords. So as you can see, I'm already logged in YouTube. So sometimes you can say private unlisted if you're not comfortable yet, or you want it to drop. Maybe it's Tuesday today and you want to drop it Friday. Definitely then set it as unlisted, or save it as a private. Then if you want to drop it right now, just go to public, then you create your video, then you upload it, then your video will be saved straight to YouTube. But if you want to save your video, you come here to video file, then it will save straight to your desktop, and you add everything. So this is a part that you guys need to focus on. So I'm from Africa, not Nigeria. I think they're using NTSC, but I'm from Southern Africa. In Southern Africa, so we're using TV PAL. So it depends on what you use, but for me, 25 frames per second really looks great, because even if I was setting when I was shooting, I usually shoot on 25 frames per second. So yeah, it depends on what you shoot on, but you can say like 25 frames per second. That's the standard. Then you want it to be a for YouTube. You're doing it for YouTube, so you need to let it know, I want it to be an HD for YouTube. I want it to look great on HD on YouTube. Then you create your video, then you save your video. That's how, guys, you export your video after editing it and optimizing it, obviously adding keywords that you believe like will be great for your video too. YouTube so that they can pick it out and recommend it to other people. So guys, thank you so much for viewing this course, and I hope you learned a lot on this course. If is there anything else you'd love to know, please do let me know so that I can go further on it. So please don't forget to subscribe and let me know what I should do. What should I include on season 2? Let me see out loud. Let me see your list. At least name 5 things you will love me to cover on season 2 of like mastering VideoPad for vlogging. Thank you so much. Bye.